If your work feels more complicated than it did just a few years ago, you're not imagining it. Somewhere along the way, designers became marketers and marketers became content creators. And now we're all responsible for more channels, more deliverables, more stakeholders, and more deadlines. That's why we created the Design and Marketing Summit, happening online September 14th and 15th. In just 2 days, you'll learn how experienced professionals create marketing content across social media, email, print, and more. You'll discover practical ways to create faster, to collaborate more effectively, and stay current with the tools you already use every day, including Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Adobe Express, and Canva. If you're responsible for turning ideas into marketing content, this event was built for you. See the agenda and get your pass for the Design and Marketing Summit today at creativepro.com/events.